Hi, I'm Lauren from LandInsight, and I'm going to show you how developers use LandInsight to find off-market opportunities. Now, with the Starter and Pro plan, you can use the ownership layer to find out the known owner of any site. Using the map, I can quickly see if a site is owned by company, corporate body, local authority, or housing association. I can also use LandInsight to quickly assess information about a privately owned site. Click on the parcel of land, and I can also purchase the documents from Land Registry at the same price. If this site's of interest to me, I can save it into my sites area where I can view the site card and quickly assess whether it's a good opportunity. Now, by using the save function, I can also carry on my searching within this layer and come back to it later. You can also filter by parcel size within the ownership layer, and that's going to help you locate possible opportunities, for example, sites with big back gardens. Now we're going to move on to the planning application layer, and that's going to allow you to view planning applications, both current and historic. Now you can find applications around your site opportunities that could inform you for your development plans. Let's say this site's of interest to us. I can click here, I can have a look at the summary of the application, or if I want to, I can click on the full application. That's going to take me to the local planning portal. And again, if this is of interest to me, like I did earlier, I can save the site so I can go back and look at it later on. Next up, we have our property information layer, which gives you further information about your site or the sites around it. Now, this layer is also great for quickly identifying nearby restrictions. If I click on a property, I'm given the address, use class, state of property. I can click on building heights, I can see what the average building height is, and also the highest, helping me decide if this area is going to work for my development. Our final layer, included within the Starter and Pro plan, which I'll move on to next, is our comparables layer. Now, what this layer does is it gives you the sold price information based on your selected area, giving you the ability to find out if the area is going to be profitable for you to develop in. You can filter here by property date, property type, date sold, allowing you to only view information on properties that are relevant to you. I can click on one of the properties, and that's going to show me the sale price. It's also going to show me the market value, and if I want to, I can view the sale advert or go out and view the EPC data. Now we're going to take a look at our sites area. Now what this does is it organises your saved sites into folders, allowing you to create a workflow tailored to your needs. What I can do is I can track the phase of my opportunity using the stages, and what those site cards do is consolidate all the information from the map layers into an easily accessible site card. Open it up, I can see ownership information, I can see planning, history, and I can also see a snapshot of the property information. What I can also do is I can click through to comparables tab, and using the radius on the map there, I can gather some comparables data related to the site. I can also go to my attachments, and here I can drag and drop any documents relating to the site. And if I have purchased that title document from Land Registry, it will automatically save there. With my activity, if I want to keep track of anything I've done on the site, for example, a letter that I've sent, I can keep track of it here. Now, if you do want to delve deeper into each layer, you can do this with our search and our alert functions within our Unlimited plan. Now, with the Unlimited plan, you will be able to set up planning alerts, which is going to keep you informed of any planning applications that get submitted that match your specific criteria. You'll also have access to our planning policy layer, which is going to allow you to access the significant constraints and the adopted proposals for the area that you're interested in. You'll also be able to use our search function, which, for example, in the property information layer is going to allow you to search by use class and also property state, allowing you to locate vacant buildings. Now, if you do want to get in touch and you would like a free trial of the Starter or Pro plan, please just click the link above and follow the self-sign-up journey. However, if you think the Unlimited plan is better suited to you, then please get in touch with us via the website. Thanks.